Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this new electronic mousetrap that I'm calling the cat face. The reason I'm calling it that is they actually molded the face of a cat on top of the trap, including ears, eyes, a nose, and whiskers. And down here is a graphic of a mouse getting zapped by electricity. You can see the lightning bolts coming out of its body. So clearly the manufacturer is using imagery to sell this trap. That's actually a smart idea. This is not the first mousetrap I've seen that is made to look like a cat. I've featured several traps on my YouTube channel already, including this one. Believe it or not, this is not just a plastic cat, but a mousetrap. You put oil down in the bottom of the trap, the mice climb up the scarf, go inside, and drown in the oil. One of the craziest mousetraps I've seen. There's also several snap traps made to look like a cat. You can see this has a friendly kitty face with big teeth. And this one is a serious kitty face, again with the big teeth. These are way too powerful for mice. Another cat-shaped trap I featured is a vintage trap. This is called the gotcha trap. It has a plastic head of a cat, and it's one of the most desired mouse traps by collectors. These vintage plastic cat-shaped mouse traps go for around $200 for the yellow, green, and red ones, and the black ones sell for around $1,000 or more. So making a cat-shaped mouse trap has been around for a long time. My favorite cat-shaped mouse trap is from 2005. I only know it from a patent drawing, but it looks like a big fierce cat with a wide open mouth. The mouse goes inside and the trap closes on it. So over the years, there are many examples of a cat-shaped mouse trap, including this one. Let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. There's more in there. Ooh, some gloves. Well, they're definitely confident about this trap. It includes a bag to throw away all the mice you catch, some gloves, a plug, and this trap. This has a few different features than many of the traps I've seen. There's the on-off switch, a battery pack, looks like 4 AA batteries. You can also use a plug-in right there. And like many of the other electronic mouse traps, this comes apart. That way when you kill a mouse, you can clean the trap separate from the electrical components. And the greatest feature about this trap is the door. You push that down. I've never seen an electronic mouse trap with a door that closes. The mouse goes inside, steps on the pad, it closes behind them, and then they get shocked. Once they touch 2 metal pads, they're done for. I'm gonna add some batteries. Now we can turn the trap on. I see a red light. First I'll put some bait in the back of the trap, make sure the door's set. Then we'll go set this up in the barn with motion cameras and try to get some wild mice with a cat face electronic mouse trap. Well, that worked really well. It didn't take long to get a mouse with a cat face electronic mousetrap. The mouse smelled the peanut butter, went inside, made contact with the metal pads, and when it did, the trap delivered a very powerful shock. The trap also has a buzzer letting you know when it made a kill. To remove the mouse, you lift up the door and give it a flip in the garbage. Now I don't want the mouse we caught to go to waste. Let's go set this up by the compost pile and feed our opossums. I'm hoping Big Mama, the opossum with the babies in her pouch, gets there first. Big Papa has been stealing the food. So let's go grab the mouse and table scraps, put them on the compost pile, then set up the motion cameras and see if the opossums come and have a mouse snack. Well, Big Mama got the mouse first, but I'm a little concerned that something happened to one of her eyes. I could only see one glowing in the trail cameras. Later, Big Papa came, but it looked like the two of them were fighting. Hopefully Big Papa didn't hurt Big Mama's eye. But they sure love the mice we leave them. Soon I'm going to catch the opossums in a live trap so we can get a better look at them. Maybe even look at the babies. But overall, I really like the cat face electronic mouse trap. It seems to work well and I like the trapdoor. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider clicking the button right there. I've posted over 500 videos on YouTube and I'm posting new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, and soon opossums, stay tuned.